love. The showering of love is something that keeps us going. So do continue with the same. Today we are going to deal with comparison of decimals. These decimals are the ones which are going to allow us to know which one is bigger and which one is smaller. For basics, I will add the link and you can definitely get to know how the increase of the hundreds, tens, and thousands and everything keeps going. For today, let's start solving. The first question says, write each number in hundreds. So what is our aim here is my denominator is supposed to be in hundreds. The second aspect is then circle the greater number in each pair. I'm going to circle the number. So first and foremost, I have is 0.2. We know 0.2 is 2 over 10, right? In order to make it 100, I'll have to times it with 10. So 2 times 10 is 20. Therefore, I will write here 20 over 100. Same as in fractions we had done, but here we are going to make it a point that it is hundreds. 0.15 we know is already in hundreds. Therefore, I will just write it as 15 over 100. All right. So we know in our 15 and 20, between these two numbers, the number that is greater, right? They want us to circle the greater number, that is 20 over 100, right? Let's go again to the second one. In the second one, it says 0.05. Again, you see the value? I have 1 and 2. As it is already in hundreds, I will say 5 over 100, right? Therefore, the second one again is also in the hundreds. So this will be 53 over 100. Now, between 5 and 53, we are aware the bigger number is 53. Therefore, I compare that greater number is 53. Let's go to the third one now. In the C1, my 72 and 8, right? So 72 is already in tens and hundreds position. It will be just the same 72 over 100, right? Once I'm done with this, now 8. Let's solve for the 8. 8 is over 10. In order to make it 100, I need to multiply with 10. Again, numerator multiplies with the same number as the denominator. So 8 times 10 is 80 over 100. Therefore, of 72 and 80, who is greater? 80. Therefore, I will circle the 80. Let's go to the next one. This is only till 10th. I need the 100th of this, right? Therefore, I will take 3 over 10. Same way, 10 times 10 is 100. Why are we doing 100? To remind again, since the question is saying each number should be 1 over 100th. That's why we are doing this. So 3 times 10 is 30. 30 over 100th. And 27 is already in the 100. So 27 over 100. Now when I compare, my 30 is greater than my 27. Hence, I got my answer. Let's go to the next question now. It says, write the missing numbers on the line. Now, this line is something we need to first gauge. What is it starting with? 0. What is it ending with? 0.5 tenths, right? And below is what they are expecting us to write in hundreds. Always read, scaffold logically, and that is how you solve. Do not be in a hurry, do not haste, always revisit your work, okay? Now, they have already given us the hint. If you see in this line, 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.04, right? 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04. So this is, but of course, 0.05. After 0.015, we know we have reached 0.1. Therefore, this is 0.11, 0.12. Therefore, my answer will be 0.12. So this is 0.15 and therefore 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is completing the whole, right? That is why it's becoming a whole. So here, that's why I have my 0.2. because the above line is tens and below line is hundreds. Like we already studied our line, what are they expecting? Next is I have my 0.25 already given because here I had my 0.20. Okay, let's go ahead now. So I have my 0.3 here. Okay, my 2 was here, 3 is here, the longer line. So this now in hundreds, what are they expecting is 0. Just one step ahead, therefore 3, 1. So here you have 5, 6, 7 they have given, 4 is given. I know 0.45 as well. Now down, what are they expecting? Since this is 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4. Sorry, 4, 8, 0.48 is what they're expecting, and you have the 5 whole. This is how the whole number line goes. Let's cater to the last question. Arrange these numbers in order from the smallest to the greatest. Use the number line above to help you. So we can use the number line to understand which numbers are coming at the beginning and which numbers are coming towards the end. Okay. Therefore, I have 0.43. All right. Hundreds, 0.7, hundreds. This is tens, hundreds, tens, hundreds, and hundreds. Okay. It's good to categorize so you understand what exactly I'm supposed to be dealing with. Therefore, if we see my 0.07, okay, that is what I can see is the smallest is because this is 0.04. So 5, 6, 7. My smallest will be 0.07. Okay. Next, if I see, could it be 0.8? No. 0.33? No. 0.2? I think yes, because 0.2 will fall somewhere here, right? My 0.2, no, this is 0.02. Let's reiterate. Let's go further. Let's go further. Yeah, my 0.2 is here. So why did I consider 0.2 is because the 0.8 is not on my line, right? It's 0.5. So that is going to be the last one. So we just keep talking to ourselves, and this is how we come slowly. So 0.2 is my second one. I'm doing smallest to greatest, okay, as the question says. Next, so let me strike off 0.07, 0.02 done. Now left 0.43. Could it be 0.43? 0.8 is the last we have as already devised. 0.33 is smaller than 0.43, okay? Let's look for this alternative. Okay, 44 is greater than 43 and then 65. So we have, I think, deduced 0.033, 0.43. Then I have 43, then 44 is bigger. 44, this is done, this is done. Now 33 is also done. Left is 65 and 8. So 0.65 and 0.8. I hope you liked the video and it was informative. Do keep liking, sharing, and subscribing. We'll come up with few more. Thank you so much. Take care.